I love this museum, and of course we got to see Nefertiti in the Berlin Gold Hat. For me, this is an outstanding museum. If you love history and arts, you will definitely love this. To see an actual papyrus and things that were used during ancient times were mind-blowing. I highly recommend this museum. It was a very shocking experience. Many precious Egyptian national treasures appeared before our eyes. The head of Nefertiti was so beautiful that it was amazing. You can enter by showing your ticket directly at the entrance, which is very convenient. There are many exhibits of Egyptian culture in the museum, which is highly recommended for those who are interested in related culture. It was very interesting, wonderful exhibits, and the style of this museum is just a fairy tale. I decided to go to the museum at the last minute, but it was too late to buy tickets on the official website. Fortunately, there are customers, thumbs up emoji. It is really convenient to save the time of queuing, but this museum is less attractive to ordinary people than the Pergamon Museum.